Meet Mariana. Mariana is a chef who teaches others how to cook amazing food online. Mariana needs to make additional income to help her son with college expenses. The problem is, so much of Mariana's time is spent scheduling lessons and chasing down payments instead of teaching more classes. Mariana asked her friends about ways she could spend less time organizing and more time teaching, and discovered a new how-to marketplace for people seeking lessons or advice on just about anything, bitlively. bitlively is an all-in-one one-to-one video coaching platform that connects experienced coaches to learners willing to pay for their professional services. Mariana simply created a free coach's profile, set her rate and schedule, sent out her custom bitlively URL, and connected with learners who paid Mariana to teach them how to cook. Mariana gained the time she needed to teach more classes and help her son with his college expenses. Join free today. Stop wasting time on the little things. bitlively.